Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
The OnePlus 13 Arctic Dawn is here on TMI Project 13. And I got to tell you, man, this is one beautiful, beautiful smartphone. You got the H upper right-hand corner for Hasselblad, the OnePlus logo. Wow. It is one beautiful device to behold visually. Very soft matte finish on the back. Power button, volume rocker. On the right-hand side, the other side, we have the alert slider. And I am digging the flat sides, top and bottom. And you can see that there is a little bit of a curve on the sides, bottom and top. All right. Yeah, I'm digging the flat sides. The very, very, very minimalistic, slight curve all the way around. Basically a flat display, and there is a screen protector. So not only do you get the wall charger, the cable in the box, you get a screen protector. That right there, folks, is a full unboxing. Hello.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
This is, I forgot the amount of storage. This is the 16 gigabyte of RAM, 512 gigs of storage, Arctic Dawn. I'm going to bring in my OnePlus 12 so you can see what the 12 and the 13 look like next to each other. Basically about the same height. Got that very nice soft matte texture on the back of the OnePlus 12. You can see this area right here and right here around the circular camera area and where the flash is as far as in design, that shiny aluminum metal shine there. It is not on the 13. I like this here. I really do. There's nothing wrong with this. I love the look of my OnePlus 12, but I'm digging a little more of the minimalistic design of what's going on here with the 13. So I'm sure we're going to have a great smartphone from OnePlus as far as their flagship. And at the end of the year, 2025, we'll see how it holds up in comparison to other flagship smartphones. But that is the 12 and the 13. Okay, S24 Ultra and the OnePlus 13. All right, the 9 Pro XL, 13. far as rocking, oh, that's not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. Okay, so I'm going to review a case here. Huge shout out to Ringke. Live a better day. I'm telling you folks, you're going to live a better day knowing you have protection for your investment. The Fusion X OnePlus 13 Black Eco packaging. Please read all the information on the back there. I gotta have protection. As far as the OnePlus Buds Pro 3, you'll probably get an update from me on these during the early morning vlog. I can't stress it out enough, folks. Watch the early morning vlog. That is where you're going to hear a lot of updates on any smartphones that I bring in for review or that I've had brought in for review. Okay, I try to do my best to get out videos where I spend some time going over the details of how my experience was on these phones that I bring in. But a lot of that information is also shared during the early morning vlog, protective film removal guide. Let's see here. You got these little pull tabs that help remove the film that protects the inside of the case and the back of the case. Fusion X Black with a clear back. Reinforced corners. Got these slopey bottom areas here, which sits nicely in the palm of your hand. Right there and up against your fingers there. You can feel the texture there. You got that texture all along the left and right hand side. It's going to give you a lot of grip. Got the power button, volume rocker. Got that ridge power button, so you can feel the difference between this area and the volume rocker. And you got those three little protruding little dots there. So we'll let you know that you're actually hitting the volume up area there. Got all these little areas so you can just hold on to your OnePlus 13. Basically, Ringke's doing all they can to help you out here. You got to do your part, and that's hold on with a nice firm grip. Up top, you have your cutouts for your IR blaster, speakers. At the bottom, for your speaker grill. Let's just go ahead. Put that on there. A little wipe down. Got to look good on video. There you can see all the little cutouts. Plenty of space to utilize the USB Type-C charging port area. Corners protrude out to absorb shock. All four corners. Power button works great. Volume rocker works great. And, oh, loving it. Yeah, I am digging it, folks. Silent. Look at that. Wow, Arctic Dawn. Look at those cameras. A mic right there as well. Lots of protection on the back. Those reinforced corners. And what's nice, when you're sitting down on a flat surface, there's going to be a little bit of an angle there because of the circular camera area there, that island there that protrudes out. So the cameras aren't going to touch the surface. If you're going to go really, really rough, I would consider buying camera glass lens protectors. And as far as the lip up top, plenty of lip there. Along the sides, plenty of lip. Plenty of lip, because now we have basically a flat display. Plenty of lip at the bottom. So when setting down on a flat surface, flat, good to go. A little bit rough, good to go. Anything rougher than that, please use your discretion. Just make sure you have protection for the display, which I'm sure is going to be gorgeous. All right, there we go. Huge shout out to Ringke, the Fusion X Black with clear back, plenty of protection, Everything working the way it should. Yeah, very nice looking case. I got a couple more cases that I'm going to review from Ringke, so stay tuned for that and other cases as well. So once again, please, what do you want from me? What do you want to see? Down below in the comment section. I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate your time, your support. The 13 from OnePlus. It is here, folks. The first flagship of the year here in North America. God bless. Peace. I'm out.